Hi, this is Max at Nichols Marine in Tulsa. This is one of our fresh trades we just got in. This is a 2016 Ranger Z520. This boat has a 2022 model Mercury 250 Pro XS 4-stroke. There's still another year left of warranty on that engine. We've got 8-foot power poles. This boat is in excellent condition. It was babied, kept inside. We've got a Lowrance 12-inch at the dash. We also have another Lowrance 12-inch on the bow. We have a Lowrance Ghost trolling motor with active target. No rips or tears. Excellent condition. Like I said, our service technicians have been all over this boat. Fresh service, full tank of fuel. This boat does come with a cover. Come see Max, Nichols Marine in Tulsa, 918-838-2500. Come see us. 6556 East 21st Street. 2016 Ranger, $58,995. Come see us.